still got me in Facebook jail, but I can do this. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Anybody there? Anybody there? Anybody there? Whoa, damn the luck. I just threw the phone on the ground. Anybody? Oh, I hope I didn't get... I can see it now. I'm going to get lawsuits. Oh, hell, there ain't even nobody watching. See how you are? To reconnect. How does that happen? I got Wi-Fi here in the house. I got like 5 bars. Ooh, somebody finally watched. Yay. Trying to do something here, but it's not letting me. There's what I wanted to do. Wow, that is up and close and personal. Okie doke, let's see what happens. Hey, still in Facebook jail. I made a cap for a girl a couple of months ago, or not a girl, a young lady, friend of mine, and another leather worker saw that and told her, "Ooh, you need to put that away somewhere so it don't get ruined, because that's going to be a collector's item one day." Something I made, I don't know why, but who knows? Probably because pardon my language, I'll go through some kind of tragic, make the news death type deal, you know. Anyway. So I'm making her one that she can wear. That'll match your husband's kind of, sort of. And they'll be the cutest couple. They go everywhere. All right, my lucky number is number 4. I always like to double stitch four little deals there. That's just something that I don't know why, but just one of my little trademark thingamajiggies, I guess, or oddities, I guess you could call it. Because you all know David Mills is kind of odd. He's an odd feller. All right, there it is. Now all I got to do is put my sheen to it. Oh, I forgot I had it zoomed in. Walt Kreider wants my sewing machine. Which one, Walt? Which one of my sewing machines do you want? Huh? Let's see. We've got this one here. This is a Ferdinand Bull, a 900B. See if I can unzoom it. There it is. This one here. Oh, one of the earlier ones of the Ferdco brand. That company's no longer in business, but I bought this. I found this on the internet somewhere. I can't even remember where. And then let me show you these machines I've got in here. I was just talking about this one with my buddy Eric up in Wyoming. This machine here, is it plugged in? I don't think so. Let me look. Oh, it is. It is. Check this out. This machine is for making Eric was doing tugs with it where he's got the keeper sewn in on one side and then you're supposed to staple it on the other side. Have I got any staples in there? Yeah, I do. Now you come down here, see the foot pedal? Whoop. That little dummy forgot to put a piece of leather in there. Attaboy. Attaboy, David. Let's try it now. Let's see what happens. Whoop, turn it on. Put the leather in there. And I got to freaking be able to do it. Well, anyway, it's not working properly, or I'm not working it properly, probably because I got one hand on the phone. That's not a sewing machine. That's a leather splitter for cutting straps, which is what that is right there. This drawer came on something I bought at that Textan auction, and I found a bunch of little leaf and flower patterns like that. This is Western Union. Oh, I better not show that. That might be something personal that don't need to be on the internet. But anyway, that I found a bunch of flower designs and stuff we can use. Then we got this bad cat right here, which I need to take it apart, take this piece here and have it machined down, because it's you can see where they've run a screw through it and it's worn out. So I'm gonna get them to level it out, and hopefully it'll push stuff through easier. So back to your question again, Walt Kreider. Which sewing machine are you wanting? I mean, here's this one here. This is a Pro 2000, another Ferdco off a Juki frame that they come in to the back here, and they do some magic stuff here that kind of gets it sewing leather better. Then there's this old monster here. This is an old Singer 9710. This thing here will sew an inch easy all day long. Then there's this bad cat right here. Another one of my Ferdcos. This one will sew about 3/4 to 7/8 of an inch. What I like about this one, it's a square feed, which I won't explain on this video, but I guess I ought to, huh? So any of them tickle your fancy there, Walt Kreider? Wait, if those don't do it, hang on, I got more. Here's my burnishing table. There's my strap creaser, number one. There's a mess I've got of patterns. There's my tooling table. There's all those things I just told you about I found in that drawer. I went through them yesterday. Ooh. I'll have to do this on another post, but remember I was looking for web page help? All right, there is a pair of spur straps. There's a breast collar I'm working on. There's another cap. There is, where's the rest of his spurs? What the hell? Garrett, I lost your spurs already, buddy. Or spur straps. What the, oh, here they are. Here they are. Garrett, I need you to freaking tell me how big your foot is, dadgummit, or I'm going to guess. Okay, back to the sewing machines there. Walt, here's what you need right here, buddy. For what you're wanting to do, it's a 153W103. It's a cylinder arm machine, which helps you get into tight spots. This is, I call this my money maker. Because it does so much. The only bad thing about it is it's got a small bobbin and it doesn't have a whole lot of lift. You can only get about 3/8 of an inch up underneath there. Maybe 7/16 if you push it. But for what you're wanting to do, young man, this is what you need right there. Consew makes one as well. I can't remember what that model number is. But there's a guy in Austin that had some that had reverse on them, which would be handy. But they were like $1,200 or $1,400, which I think is out of your price range for now. But anyway, if you want a bad cat like that, there's one on the other side of Houston for sale for about $1,500. But these are bad cats. They take a little bit of skill and mechanical skill to keep them tuned up. But that's a needle and awl machine right there, Walt. This is another needle and awl machine. An old Landis number 3 harness stitcher. This is a bad cat too. I like this one because I get to pedal it. There's no electric motor on it, which is good for doing little stuff like that. My holsters, my knife sheaths, because I can go real slow, don't have to worry about chewing up stuff. There's one right there I need to put on a table. Actually, I need to clean, organize, or do something with this mess right here on this table. Once I put all them tools away in like maybe a toolbox, David, isn't that what they call them things you put those? Hey, I need to get one of them. Actually, I've got some outside, but that's a double needle post bed machine I rarely use. Here's another single needle post bed machine I rarely use. And then my last but not least, the original type machine I started on years and years ago when I was doing nothing but the chaps was this bad cat here. This is a Singer 3115. It's a tailor's machine, but I've got this one situated to where it'll sew leather all day long. And then that's it for sewing machines. All right, well, let me turn you loose. Toodaloo, you bunch of buckaroos. Hey, Kathy, I'm glad you like it. Toodaloo, buckaroo.